Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is my first attempt at a talking head video, and we're going to be talking about the equipment I use for motovlogging. This will be the basic starter equipment, the equipment that you can get right now that you may already have, and you can get to motovlogging. So we're going to go ahead and run that intro and we'll get to it. So when doing anything video related, there's two important key aspects to take into account: audio and video. So when it comes to motovlogging, there's nothing different about that. You're going to want a good quality video to go ahead and capture everything that you're seeing or your bike is seeing, and then you're going to want good audio to go ahead and pick up in your helmet so you can, narrate what you're seeing and what's going on and what you're talking about. So first and foremost, we're going to go with the camera because obviously we're going to be making YouTube videos. So for me, this year in 2020, I've been using my GoPro Hero 5 Black. This is a very good GoPro for what it is. I've had it laying around. Before I did YouTube, I would just take little videos here and there when I would go kayaking and everything. So I already had this laying around. It was no extra investment for me, and I know a lot of you guys may also be on the same boat. You may have an older camera laying around that you can go ahead and get to filming on. What is important for me is that I had a lot of extra batteries. Even then, I don't have a ridiculous amount. I have 3 batteries in total for this GoPro, and that's because when I purchased this, when it first came out several years ago, Sam's Club actually was running a promotion where if you buy the bundle, it comes with 2 extra batteries and like a battery charger. So I have 3 batteries for this, and that has always been enough for me. I know a lot of people out there, they do use the Hero 4s, the Hero 3s. It really depends. I mean, right now they're on the Hero 9, and I did actually just purchase me one of those for 2021 coming up. That's going to be my vlogging setup. I'm trying to switch it up for the year. But this has worked well. This is what I've been using for the entire past year on my channel. Next up is audio. Audio is a very weird subject depending on how you want to do it. I know a lot of people, they'll buy the adapter for the GoPro and they'll connect it in, duct tape it, and then buy a Lav Mic. I know the Purple Panda mic is very popular. They'll run that into their helmet and go ahead and record that way. When I was looking at doing that, it was right at the peak of COVID and the quarantine and all that. So finding the adapter was like 60 bucks on Amazon, 70 bucks at times. And then the Purple Panda mic was sold out. So what I did is I went with a company called Adorama. It's a camera, audio, visual company. They're based online. They do have a physical store in New York, and they had a deal on this thing. And so this is an external recorder. It does have 2 microphones on top, so that way you could go ahead and hold it like a microphone and talk that way. But it also has inputs and outputs where you can put in a microphone, or you can put speakers, headphones, the such. You can adjust the gain. And so this was something that I liked. When you're on a bike, there's lots of clipping, lots of loud noises, lots of wind noise. So what you need is something that you can adjust for that. So I found that this was very helpful because you can adjust the gain and you can adjust a whole bunch of different settings in here. The package that I bought came with this recorder, and it came with a Rode lavalier mic with a whole bunch of extensions. It came with like a 6-foot external cord, which I've never needed. So what I do is I run the Lav Mic from my shirt all the way through to the recorder, and I go ahead and put the recorder in my pocket after I've set the gain and all that, and then I hit record on my GoPro and the recorder at the same time, and it works perfectly. So this is the Zoom H1N handy recorder is what it's called. It's worked perfectly for me. I haven't fully set my gains and all that, but I think the audio quality I get when I'm riding my bike is pretty spot on. Obviously there's some peaking at times that I can adjust down here. A lot easier than trying to deal with it in the GoPro, and it's just a hassle that way. And for me, what I found is if you're going to be doing B-roll, or if you're going to be doing talking head videos, this works perfectly. You can go ahead and turn it on. It has a screw here that you can put on most tripods and all that, and you can just set it and record your audio that way. Obviously right now I'm not doing that because I wanted to show you guys, but that's one thing that I found that was important to keep in my camera bag at all times for motovlogging. Next up, and it's also very important, is a holder to go ahead and connect your GoPro to your helmet. So this one I picked up on Amazon, I want to say for like $25. I'll go ahead and put a link to it in the description. It comes with the cage for the GoPro, and then it comes with all these little arms, so you can go ahead and adjust different angles, and it comes with several clips to go ahead and clip into a helmet. You can put little like 3M sticky things on flat parts. It comes with just a whole variety of mounts for your GoPro, and this came to be very helpful. I did break it. That was me pinching it too hard one time. Even then, it still connects to my helmet perfectly, and I've never had any issues with it. So I'll go ahead and link that in the description. So guys, in conclusion, you do not need a lot of money or a lot of equipment to get started on YouTube. You just need a basic camera and some way to capture audio, and you'll be set on your way. This community has always been very nice to me. Everyone's super nice to each other. You do have trolls apparently. Occasionally you do have trolls that will comment on your videos, but that's a common thing on any platform nowadays. I encourage you guys to go ahead and, you know, pick up some basic equipment, or if you already have the equipment, just press play or press record and get started. It's very nice to see people grow on YouTube, and you know, I'm in that process right now. I have learned a lot throughout this year. I was not very consistent at times, and now I am. I've been trying to upload one video a week, and it's been hard, but it's also fun in the same time, because you're trying to come up with ideas constantly. You're trying to articulate those ideas, and it's something fun. It's fun to do, and I don't encourage anybody to just be gun-ho and trying to do it for the money. Obviously I'm not on that level yet, and I know a lot of us, you know, we would like that milestone, but that's not something we're doing it for. We're doing it for the fun. We're doing it to connect with other people in the community. So with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box below. I'm going to be linking I'm going to go ahead and throw some links down below to some of the equipment here. They may be affiliate links. I don't recall if I have an affiliate account with Adorama or anything, but you guys have a great day. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.